Beautiful people, my name is ASAP Angela Edwards, and I'm 11 years old, worldwide rapper, and I go on tours, and I'll be rapping about fat people today. All right, let's go. Fat people is so fat. They went outside, they were smoking on crack. They went to school and you look like that. I'ma tell you if you wanna come, you said you look like crack. And I'ma tell you if you said you ate a cup of bat. And I'ma tell you if you said you ate a couple craps. And I'ma tell you if you said you wanna go on money. You went to school and you ate some bad honey. And I'ma tell you if you said you can't afford that money. I'ma tell you if you said you look like Bunny. If you went outside, you look like Bugs Bunny. And I'ma tell you if you went on Cartoon Network. Tell me if you wanna come, you said you was a blackbird. If you wanna come and said you went outside. You went to school and you said you had some pride. And I'ma tell you if you said you went to school and drive. You said you went to school and you had your license. I'ma tell you if you said you had your license. If you went in the car, you said you wanna drive. You went outside, you in the beehive. And I'ma tell you if you said you wanna come and blind. If you wanna come and said you wanna come in time. Hey, last night you had a bad day. Tell me if you wanna come, you look like Ray Ray. Tell me if you wanna come, you said a lay. Tell me if you wanna come, you said you had the ways. If you said if you wanna look like Ralphie Thornton. Tell me if you wanna come and Ralphie Wharton. If you said you wanna come and Ralphie Thornton. If you wanna come and said you Ralphie Thornton. You went to Stanford's room. Can I come and can I use the broom? If you wanna come, you said you look like Looney Tunes. If you wanna come and said you wanna come and bloom. Okay, viewers, you have a great day, and subscribe me at asapangela@gmail.com. Okay.